Hey, this is Jeremy with Drs USA. A little change of scenery here. I want to talk to you a little bit about encapsulation and is it necessary? We actually have a company that does waterproofing and encapsulation, Crawlspace Encapsulation, but aesthetically pleasing, yes it is, but is it really needed? No, it's not. The thing about encapsulation is all Crawlspace companies that offer encapsulation, that's their agenda, to push the encapsulation. There's several things that you can do to your Crawlspace that would produce the same results, if not better results, as encapsulation. One thing to think about is when you encapsulate your Crawlspace, you're pretty much putting all the moisture that comes in through that block or exterior wall between that block and that plastic. So as that water penetrates that block, you still have a barrier there that's trapping that moisture. So it means that that dehumidifier has to work twice as hard to pull the moisture out of that air. Now, of course, the theory is, okay, all this moisture runs down the plastic, drains into a perimeter drain system, and it's taken care of. Well, what does that moisture do to the block over time? Where does the moisture go? It doesn't always stay in a liquid form and go into the drains. Some of that liquid starts to evaporate and you've got the vapor form. So as that vapor form moves through the block, it's also moving into the plate, increasing the moisture content in that plate. Now, one problem with that encapsulation system is you can never see what's going on, and it's high profits for profitable. So anytime a Crawlspace company mentions encapsulation, number one, you want to make sure that you're using a heavy, durable plastic to do it, but make sure it's for the right reason. It's their agenda to push that Crawlspace encapsulation on every customer. That's what they do. So make sure that it's necessary. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. We'll see you soon.